Look at that. We've got some flavored bacon. This is seasoned with Frank's Red Hot, which I'm a big fan of Frank's. This one here is seasoned with jalapenos. I love jalapenos too. For me, basic bacon is basically like a tier on my food pyramid. I love bacon. I add it to a lot of different recipes I cook here. When I saw this seasoned bacon, I thought I'd give it a try. We're going to put it on our bacon tray here and cook it in the oven. The best bacon is made in the oven. We'll be cooking it at a 425. And we'll do it for about 25 minutes. You put that bacon in a cold oven. That's all. We'll be back. There's our bacon. The bacon on the left is the jalapeno bacon. It's a thick cut bacon, so it's going to take a little longer to cook than the bacon on the right, which is the Frank's Red Hot bacon. I'm looking forward to giving both of these a try. We're putting it in a cold oven, and that's set at 425. We're going to go with about 25 minutes and check it. This side will probably need another 5 to 10 minutes. I'm not quite sure how much that side will need after that. We'll remove this side when it's done and then pop it back in and let that one finish out. There it is after 25 minutes. We're going to pop her in for another 5. There we go after a total of 30 minutes. Some nice crispy bacon. We've got the thick cut jalapeno here and the standard Frank's hot sauce bacon there. Let me get this off, blot it with a paper towel, and we'll sample it. Alright, there's our thick cut jalapeno bacon. And there's our regular cut Frank's hot sauce bacon. Let's give them a taste test. Give that to my perpetually beautiful wife. Let's go with the Frank's hot sauce first. Yeah, I'll be honest. I don't really think it adds much to the bacon. It's kind of just a light, subtle taste. I think I like bacon better by itself. Let's give my wife a taste behind the camera. What do you think?
Has a weird taste, but it's not spicy at all.
Yeah, but it's that Frank's taste.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Let's see if Badge likes it.
Please. Yeah.
All right. So the Frank's one, this is the thick cut jalapeno. Fingers crossed on this one.
Is that one better? A little bit?
Much better. Oh, yeah.
Is it spicy?
It's got a little spice to it, too. What do you think about that one? That's way better. I mean, like, that would be good on the breakfast burrito and add a little zip.
Oh, yeah, now I can taste it. Yeah, that one's way better. Really not spicy, though, but it just has more, it has a flavor.
It's got a little bit of spice, but not a lot.
No.
Maybe if you sprinkled a little cayenne
Like a
onto it.
baby spicy.
Yeah. So, regarding the two Hormel bacons, it's a no on the Frank's.
Yeah.
Which really surprises me because I love Frank's hot sauce. And a thumbs up on the jalapeno. I would make this again, and I think it'll go good in my breakfast burritos this morning. Like, subscribe, and share. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye from myself, my perpetually beautiful bride behind the camera.
See ya.
See ya. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.